Hello guys, welcome back to another Roblox video. Today I'm going to be playing some Roblox Beefarm Simulator. I actually made a video about this game before, but it was kind of a bad video, because we won't talk about that. But basically, I don't really have a plan on what I'm going to do, because I'm at that point where it's like kind of hard. So I'm just kind of going to be like grinding. What I am actually trying to go for right now is the cobalt guard, but I also have to grind Spirit Bear's quest because I'm also going for the petal belt, or the petal wand. I think that's what I was going for. Then I was going to grind for wind, no, because I don't, not going to do wind. But yeah, so I'm basically going to be working on that. So if there's like a vicious bee, I'm going to go ahead and attack that. Well, other than, yeah, I don't have a whole lot of plans. So basically, I just need 100 stingers, that's all, and then I can get the cobalt guard. So, we're just gonna be grinding today. Basically, the goal is just to get the cobalt guard, so I'll just be kind of grinding the, snail, I guess? And then, we'll see my plantation. Ooh, puff shroom, yay! Ooh, so many tickets, yes. Need these. Because you can like buy vicious, you can like buy those vicious, you can buy the stingers. Vicious bee. I mean, you can technically buy a vicious bee, yeah. It's okay. Ah! Ah! Hey, can't catch me. And if you haven't already, if you are, if this is your first time at the YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button because I will be posting more often. I have started a podcast with my friends called the Stupid Nerds Podcast, which is basically me and my friends just kind of being stupid, and we do like a different game each time we play. So it's a pretty fun time. You can come, get a laugh, hopefully. So yeah. Oh wow, I have not done much with that stump snow at all. So yeah, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and at 50 subscribers, a whole 50 subscribers, yes, I know, it's crazy. I will be giving away a kit and Roblox Bedwars of your choice, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And comment your Roblox username, and then at 50 subscribers, I will pick a random subscriber, of course. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you do that if you can win a free kit, or kit skin, battle pass, whatever you want. So yeah, basically I'm just grinding this puff shroom right here. Though that ticket planter was very helpful. What we needed tickets. I have played this game quite a bit before. I purchased some of the game passes. Where the hell did that go? Actually, I already did my tunnel bear for the day, and then I got dilly squat from it. Pretty sad. I have no clue what the bee clips do, so I just really don't care. Not gonna lie, I really don't give a crap what they do. Grinding for that cub buddy was the best thing I ever did. Oh, I actually have this cool hack. So basically, let's say you're going to the wind shrine over here. Shrine. And if I remember correctly, by donating honeysuckles, and I think it was like, if you do at least like 30, it's like 30. Donate. No! Oh! Ah, darn it. Okay, for some, I previously remember I was able to donate like a bunch of a cheap item and Windy Bee would spawn. I'm an idiot. I'm a friggin' moron. Okay. Alright. So at this point, we're just kind of waiting for vicious bees to spawn so I can go get some stingers. So that'll be crucial important, otherwise I'll need to grind for a bunch of tickets. Aren't there like 10 tickets for one? I I swear, if they're 100, I'm gonna be upset. Also, people told me that Puppy Bee sucks. Fuck you. I don't care. I have a dog IRL. Oh yeah, if you guys want to see some videos of my dog, let me know. If like for the animal lovers and stuff. If anyone cares. I mean, if you just want to see like let's plays, sure. If you want to see more of those like meme videos like that Timothy IRL Doors video, let me know. Cause like I can make one of those, no problem. So yeah, comment down below what kind of videos you guys want me to make. So I can do that. I can make like a selection of videos for all my different types of fans. You know, the animal lovers, the meme gods, the people who like let's plays. I'm not gonna do like budget challenge videos because like I have $4 in my bank right now. Yeah, I'm very rich. So yeah. So yeah, I won't be doing like stuff that requires me to spend a lot of money. But I will do videos that you guys want. I can make like if you guys want me to, I could try and make a music video. I could try and do that. It'd probably suck. I suck at singing. I have been learning guitar though. See? Okay. You know what's funny when I'm playing Beast Run Simulator? I don't know what half of my tokens do, but usually they mean good things, so I just grab them. I'm not gonna lie. People say that I'm against blue backpackers. Yeah, I'm white team, white pollen. I'm not racist. I just like white pollen. Especially since the next coming up items are gonna be for white pollen. It should be good to start building white pollen, a white team. Yeah. If you guys were like, oh, white superior, I'm racist, no, I just because coming up ahead is white. I'm not racist. I probably shouldn't have mentioned that. Whatever. Who cares? Who gives a fuck? Alright. I'm gonna go see how much a stinger costs. I don't think it's 100, but I'm most likely wrong because I'm an idiot. No, it is 10. Sick. Alright, well, where is my ticket planters? I need to place that down. 9 of those. 9 of those. Okay, where are all my planners? Do I have like any place down? Ticket planner! Wait, ticket planter, yes. Frick you. I have a lot of eggs. What? I have a diamond. Why have I not hatched my diamond egg? Oh. I don't have any hive slots. Right, I'm a freaking idiot, man. Okay. Alright, well, I'm gonna be grinding for a little bit. So, yeah. I don't edit my videos if you're wondering, so you just gotta watch me grind. I'm like good at talking. I talk a lot, so I thought like, hey, YouTube. That'd be good. I have been considering doing some Twitch streams, but I don't think I'd be popular enough for the people to actually care. I was actually doing a live stream earlier today. I was actually doing my podcast, which turned into a let's play. My friends. No one was watching for like most of it, I think. No one cares about me anymore. I have like 18 subscribers, which may not seem like that cool, but like, I think that's pretty cool. Especially since I don't give a fuck. And if you guys do want to see, and if you guys want me to play some games other than Roblox, like I got Minecraft, Among Us, I have FNAF Custom Night and FNAF 6. I think I have FNAF World. As I have like Fall Guys as well. If that game's still popular. I just play Roblox because like that's like seems to be a game that's super popular. That's like a super popular game with all the different types of games. But yeah, if you want to see like Minecraft stuff, I can do that. Oh wow, 500 mil. Pretty cool. Alright. How much did you... Okay, what's Spirit Bear's quest? The Gift of Life. I need to collect a bunch of white pollen. Pollen from Whitefield. 8,000 pollen from Strawberry. 3,000 goo from Dandelion. 50 Inspire tokens. 100 tokens from Festive Gifts. Shit. 300 treat tokens. 100 raw jelly tokens. Donate 300 pineapple. Oh, that's gonna suck. Alright, so I guess I can start grinding on that. Sounds good. So this okay, I should probably go over to the cactus field if I'm gonna grind white pollen. That's the oh shit. Damn it. I think this one's mine. Yeah, that one's mine. Good to put it in blue fields. Also, if you're wondering, I am a little pale because I have like these 2 game passes, but that's like it. I think that's the only thing that I purchased. Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, I bought that with tickets. Yeah, I bought that with tickets, so I can't buy it again. See, I want Bearby, but like, I don't think it's worth it. I don't know. Maybe it's broken. I don't know. That's just like $10 for B for double pollen. Actually, now that I hear it, I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments if it's broken or not. I don't know. Let me know. At this point, this package sucks. Like that, legit, I can get that in like maybe like 10 minutes of grinding. 700 Robux in like 10 minutes of grinding. OP. Oh, I forgot I have sprinklers. I gotta place down. Why am I grinding in this build? I gotta be grinding in this build. Damn it, I'm an idiot. Alright, so guys. Also, I did make a doors video. I have been getting into doors lately, and I did try and beat it. I was actually gonna beat it, and then someone was trolling in my household. Maybe someone logged into my. Maybe there's someone hacking me. I don't know, but whatever. I was like so close to beating doors on stream, and then of course I had to get disconnected. I was like, God damn it. Who cares? So, if you're also wondering why I don't like talk like in some of my videos, that's because I get a lot of issues with my microphone. So like sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. And when it doesn't work, I can't make audio videos, which I literally made the mistake of not testing my microphone my first stream because it was like silent for 5 whole minutes. Well, it was silent for like 5 minutes, which was like sad. That was my pinky. Oh yeah, so pretty stupid of me. I'm an idiot. Oh yeah. Well, Mr. Wolf. Oh, you're not done with me. He doesn't respond for another 30 minutes. Oh, that's like, sorry guys. Alright. Oh my god, I named him Stinky Sauce. What the fuck? Wow, I'm an idiot. Open cub console, brown bear. A slightly chubby cub that got into the royal jelly, rewarded after completing 300 brown bear quests. Alright, this is the first time we're running a shop. This is included in the Cub Buddy launch pack. Limited edition. Oh, these are all limited. Oh, I'm not getting these then. 2022. What's this year? 2019. God. Alright, well, when is the Vicious Bee gonna spawn? These Vicious Bee thingers. Alright, give me my fuzzballs. Okay. I need 10x, and I get a lot from gifted Vicious Bees. I want a gifted one to spawn. You get like a lot. Also, I found a broken method with Puppy Bee in his fetch game. And you get it in a corner, you get a lot of treats. I mean a lot of treats. Because like you're constantly bouncing it, so it's broken. But sometimes you have to step back a little bit, otherwise you're gonna lose it. Ooh, Puff's room! Yay! Someone do a gifted thing! Gifted bee. Yeah, I want to be rich like him. Go away. Do I have a knife bell? God, I'm gonna look real quick. There's a puff room to go away. Okay. So I got my puff room. Done. Night bell. Night bell's what I need. I have a night bell. I don't. Okay, so right now I have enough tickets to buy 5 stingers, which is not gonna work for me. Alright, I'm gonna go. What am I doing on that one? Oh, really close. That's a lot of honey. Oh, that's very expensive. You are very expensive, sir. Well, I'm gonna wait up here for the Mondo chick. Nothing. No badges for me up here. Okay. The link. I wanna like buy something in the shop. It's like doesn't seem worth it. How much Robux do I have? Not a lot. Okay, cool. Well, I want to get that, but I can't. So for all of these people who are about to call me an idiot, and I know this, so when the Vsmith event came out, I actually purchased the Boyon Bee bundle. Now you might be like, well, why don't you have the Boyon Bee? Because my dumbass put a Vicious Bee on it. By accident. So now, I need my son back. I need my child back. So as soon as I get a buoyant bee, I must have him back. So yeah. Yeah, so basically, I've just been like desperate to get a buoyant bee back. Like, I need him back. Without him, I'm gonna kill someone. I'm gonna kill the people who aren't subscribed. That's what I'm gonna do. No, I'm just joking. For now. No, I'm joking. I won't. Because you still have the chance to subscribe, and that's the only reason you're still alive. Is because you may subscribe later. So, like, I don't understand why you don't subscribe. Like, even if you subscribe, you don't have to watch my videos. Just subscribe for pity. I'll take that. I genuinely will. You subscribe because you pity me? I will take that any day of the week. Woohoo! Hello. Quick at his face! You're dead. Mondo chick, deal with it. Mondo chick, cook. It's pretty stinky. Okay. Woo-hoo. You're probably gonna die. Ow! Ouch! Die! Kill the stupid chicken! Ah, I should have waited. What? What's your idea? Yay, sharing jelly beans. I don't feel any better about myself. Like, sharing jelly beans is actually genuinely broken. Wait! Woo-hoo! Why is it taking so long? Hold on, guys. Aubrey's calling me. What do you want? I'm recording.
Wait, you're recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. What do you want?
Wait, hold on. What are you recording?
Playing Beestorm Simulator on Roblox.
Well, I'm bored.
Okay, you can join me. Please tell me a vicious beast spawn. I need him. I need to kill him. Take his stingers.
I've been in the game with you for like 1.5 hours.
Wait, for real?
Yes.
Oh shit. Tell me a vicious beast spawns. I want to steal his penis.
Maybe we can do the video together.
Sure.
I'm not saying if like really
I mean, I'm gonna keep recording until either I run out of film or I get the cobalt shoulder. How are you like rich in this game?
No, I haven't started this game on my artist account.
Oh, you haven't played this game before? Oh, it's fun.
And it's rich as heck on this game.
I'm like kinda rich. I don't know. People in the description can say if I'm rich. Don't be bragging about how you have more loot than me. I don't care.
I am rich on my main account, but that got banned. I did not want to talk about my account. It got banned. This is my main account right now, but It wasn't.
Yeah.
Wait, I haven't saw this thing yet.
We're almost done killing Mondo Chick. Mondo Chick must beg. I will happily Elliot. I will happily ditch this asshole for a vicious beat any day of the week. Fuck you. Because I need vicious beat and I don't want to spend all my tickets.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Want to take his penis?
That sounds so wrong.
Well, you're taking his stingers, and his stingers look like penises. So technically, you're taking his penises.
I have no headphones on right now because you're dead. Earpods, whatever.
Your dad just comes in. What are you talking about penises? Do you have a boyfriend? Oh, your boyfriend. Have you two smashed each other yet?
That is so wrong. It's so much different.
Are you pregnant, Aubrey? Tell me, are you pregnant? Am I gonna be a grandpappy?
He's gonna be my great. Am I about to discuss this again?
Tell me,
my dad is
do I need a rocking chair?
Are we about to discuss this again?
Yes. Is your
My dad is my grandpa.
I'm gonna be a great grandfather. Oh, just happy day for that.
Okay, that's not about life. that sounds way more better, I guess.
I'm gonna be.
I'm gonna be your mom.
So young.
Oh shit.
So young. So beautiful.
What am I doing with my life? Grandpappy, is that you?
I'm gonna be a great grandfather. Oh, I'm back. Oh, it's giving out. Aubrey, baby, my medicine. Oh, I'm back. It's broken. Oh no.
Oh no, my nuts.
Hip.
They're broken.
They're broken. Oh no, my grandfather, he's broken. Fernie dirty. Aubrey, I just want to know one more thing.
What?
Are you gay?
Bisexual, there's a difference.
You're like Gam?
What's my flippin' quest, you stupid brown bell?
Don't be mean to him. He just quickened your face, that's all. I'm still sitting. Dude, you've been sitting up shop for 2 years. Fuck you. Fucking give me a quest, for God's sake.
Fuck!
Ah, God, damn, shit, piss, God, shit, fucking piss, shit, damn it, asshole.
I really don't want to know, but at the same time, what the flip is white mush?
There's what?
White mush.
White mush, what do you mean?
He wants white mush.
What is the quest?
White mush.
Yeah, but like, what are you gonna do in it? Oh, you have to collect white pollen and do stuff in the strawberry field.
Oh, I thought it was something else.
No. Yeah, he does that. He's like, oh, you have to do all these different things like white pollen, strawberry field, so it's like white mushroom, white mush.
Oh my gosh, he jumped at me.
So like my brown bear is like collect pollen in the spider field and strawberry field, so it's straw spide. I love this song.
Flip the mushroom field. Where's the mushroom field? Stop sleeping. Make honey, you idiot. I have one single epic beat that he does crap.
Smash. Smash or pass.
Stop putting money on me. Stop smiling, you
Lick
stupid.
Why is there a bubble around this guy?
I don't know, you tell me.
Your mother. Your mother is a helper.
I cannot see, there's no candy in me.
I think this game is a little sexist.
Sexual?
There's King Beetle, but there's no Queen Ladybug. That's sexist.
Sexist.
Sexist game. This is unacceptable.
Leave some pollen for the rest of us, man.
Yeah. Oh, I was also recently talking about how I'm not racist. I'm not gonna get into it. You can watch the video later.
Why are you just casually talking about that you're not racist to your viewers?
I'm not racist. I just like white. And I prefer white. I prefer white over the other colors. I'm not racist. Not at all. Yo. I'm broke as fuck.
Broke as hell. Broke as hell.
So what do I need? I have no fucking clue. Guys, I need a pedal, but like, no. Peanut butter.
How do you get up the place where the shopkeeper is? I want that honeycomb.
What do you mean? The fuck are you talking about? What the hell?
I want the royal jelly up on the shop.
Oh, like up there? Like
yes, up there. Genius.
Parkour, of course.
Yeah,
of course.
How do you get up there with parkour?
Do you have 20 bees?
Yeah, I'm gonna go do that.
You fucking idiot.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, I'm about to play the most freakiest thing I've ever heard in this entire game. Tell me, alright, tell me in the comments if this is like genuinely scary. Listen to this music, it's freaky. It's freaky. Freaking my ass. Sucks these nuts in your mouth.
Your parents watches your videos.
They don't. They don't. They're like so disappointed in me.
Why? Are they disappointed?
POV, my parents. It's still too late to become a doctor. You want to become YouTuber? You sick motherfucker! You go get a job and be a doctor. It's not because you are a failure.
Are your parents Russian?
No, they're Asian. No, I'm just kidding. They're Asian, making me be a doctor.
Like it. Wait, they're actually Asian?
No, they're not. I'm American, bitch. Fucking pussy, ass, fucking.
I have no headphones on.
Aubrey's parents, she is pregnant and she's expecting a baby in like 2 days. If you've noticed that she's been picking up weight, that's why.
He has my face right now. Just
Yeah, Aubrey's pregnant. Just to let y'all know. If you've noticed that she's gained weight, that's why.
Fluff you. Yes, I know how to flip and take honey. What the flip? Oh, mine.
What the fuck? You sick motherfucker!
That person just spawned next to me.
Yeah.
Nice.
You get loot. Actually, that's helpful. Keep fucking giving me those for God fucking sake. You're sick, motherfucker. Fuck my fucking ears. Roy, red sprout. Oh, get the fuck away from my sprout. Get the fuck away from my sprout. Piss off. Piss off. Piss off, bitch. Get the fuck away from my sprout. Piss off. Fuck you. Piss off. Fuck you. Piss off. Piss fucking off. Piss off. Piss off. You asshole. This is my fucking sprout, bitch. Luckily, I'm fast as fuck, boy. My approach. You don't get it. Fast as fuck, boy. You don't get it. Stupid. Oh, you'd be yoinking my loot. This is my loot. Do you want me to summon a honey storm for you?
Is that bad or good?
That's good.
Yes.
You get well. Too bad. You took in my loot from the honey storm.
Just a tad bit.
You fucking took in my loot, bitch. Screw. What the fuck is this again? Oh yeah, I remember this.
I remember you asked.
Ouch!
Good away.
Fucking pussy, fucking ass, fucking. Wee. Critically. I've had a crit miss before. That was really funny. Wow, HP says like I
Hey, you know how they say don't play one-on-one with scissors?
Oh screw it. Actually, those are pretty bad. The scissors are pretty bad.
Are they bad than the shovel though is my question.
No. Yeah, still got it. Yes, sir. I am the biggest of. Oh, fuck you. Piss.
Where's the eggs? I not need a blueberry. Yeah, don't flip. I do not care if I got a combi.
Did I ask? Did I ask? Your motherfucker is a piece of shit. But in fact, yours. Yes. No.
Give me the royal jelly.
I'm just gonna like AFK. Yeah, I'm just gonna AFK for a bit. Well, this is part 1 of getting the cobalt shoulder thing. I'm just gonna kind of like AFK. So yeah, but guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for part 2 of trying to get the cobalt shoulder thing. Peace out.